Hello guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am sharing with you how I blow dry my hair using the one-step Revlon hair care system. And these are the products that I'm using. I'm using the olive oil, heat protectant, and shea moisture as a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, my hair is pretty damp at this point and I work in sections. If you know, 4C hair always requires for you to work in sections to make things a bit easier. So I am applying my leave-in conditioner and then detangling my hair. Make sure you thoroughly detangle your hair because you don't want to have any single strand knots in your hair, because obviously the blow dryer is a comb, so you will be combing through your hair and you don't want to have any knots in your hair while you're doing that process. And so yeah, all I do is section my hair further in small sections and then I begin brushing through to dry my hair and then continue with the next section, just gently doing this. I did forward this video a little bit so it might look like I'm being rough, but I was actually being extra careful because obviously we don't want to break this hair. Okay, so as you can see, the results are amazing and this thing can be a bit addictive, and I only use it every 2 months on my hair, but I feel like I might get rid of it because yeah, I just don't want to use it anymore. But yeah, so I just put that hair away in a bantu knot and then move on to the next section, again making sure that I'm detangling my hair, removing any single strand knots, and yeah, applying my heat protectant and then my leave-in conditioner as well, and then moving on to blowing out my hair with this brush. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. This makes the job much easier rather than using the old way of trying to use a comb and trying to do all those things. And I do apply the the serum on top of my hair after blow drying, just to keep the moisture into my hair, and then I move on to the next section. So once my whole head is complete, I unravel the bantu knots just to release the hair. Yeah, just unravel everything because yeah, we are pretty much done at this point. Not quite, but yeah. So I was really loving the volume, the curls that were coming out when I did these bantu knots, and I wish I had kept them in, but unfortunately this is a blowout tutorial and not a bantu knot tutorial. But yeah, just look at the volume, look at those curls, girl. Curls were popping here, honestly. Yeah, like it just looking at it, I'm just like, that looks so good. And if you can't tell right now, I was actually recording myself on my phone trying to make a story for the gram. Gonna make content for the stories as well while you're doing that. But yeah, you guys should follow me on Instagram if you don't already follow me there. It's naturally unbothered Maine. I will link it in the description and I will put it on the screen so you can see. Yeah, so if you can't tell, I was feeling myself, feeling my hair, and obviously loving the new color. Yeah, like it's popping. This is the color I wanted to go for to begin with, but I wanted to experiment with the other one. And yeah, unfortunately I ended up taking out the curls and just blew out the curls because, you guys, this is a blow dry routine blow dry tutorial. So yeah, I had to blow them out because I wanted that blowout effect, and yeah, just to make sure that it's all straight, because I was going to follow up with my cornrows that I was going to install in my hair, and I needed my hair to be straight a little bit or blown out kind of thing, because it makes the job easier for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this doesn't take as long as it used to take me before to blow dry my hair. It used to take me literally like an hour. This takes me about maybe 30 minutes to 40 minutes. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Yes, gang. All right, thank you so much. Until next time, bye.